Hi, I'm Anthony from Genelec's Installed Sound team. In this Smart IP tips and tricks video, we're going to show you how to set up the Smart IP Controller app. The app is quick to set up on any Apple iOS or Android phone or tablet and provides straightforward control of your Smart IP loudspeakers, including volume adjustment, mute, power on and off, and recall of profiles. Once you've downloaded the app from the Apple Store or Google Play, make sure your speakers and device are connected to the same network. Let's get into it. To get started, press the Get Start button. The app will discover all zones created in Smart IP Manager or the default zone if none are being configured. Select the desired zone, a confirmation window appears, tap Connect. If the speakers use non-default login credentials, you'll be prompted to enter them now. The zone now appears in the Save Zones list. You can now add further zones, enter zone settings, or press Done to go to the main control page. Now let's take a look at editing a zone. There are two settings that can be adjusted. Firstly, volume limits. Here we can set a minimum and maximum volume range for the zone, where 0 dB represents full output. Use this to prevent volume exceeding an appropriate level for the space. The next setting is zone image. Here we can set an optional image to help identify the zone at a glance. Tap the Edit button and choose from a built-in default icon, a photo, or an image taken from your device. As we scroll down the settings page, we can see all the speakers assigned to the zone and their details. Finally, we can remove the zone if required. Once finished editing, tap the Back button and press Done to begin using the controller. In the main control view, we can now see our zones. In each zone, we can control the following: volume up and down, mute, power on and off, and profile recall. To add more zones or edit existing zone settings, tap the Settings button in the top right corner. And that's it, quick and straightforward. If you have any questions, reach out to your local Genelec representative or visit the support section at genelec.com. Thanks for watching.
That